Welcome to our today's class. This is WAEC 2026. Today we are looking at question 2b. So construct an internal tangent to two unequal circles of radii 40 and 20 respectively, whose centers are 100 millimeters apart. So let's first of all locate the centers of the two radius. So I will draw a straight line, then mark out 100 mm from the point. So here is 0, here is 0.0, here is 0.100. So the first radius is 40 mm. So I will mark 40 from my pair of compass. There is radius 40. I'll put it at the first point and draw a thick circle of radius 40. Thick circle of radius 40. At the other point, which is the point 100, I will draw another circle of radius 20. This is 20. Another circle of radius 20. So what happened now, to draw the internal tangent, I'll bisect the two centers. I will join both of them with a faint line. So with here as center, I will extend to the center of the first circle and draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. For internal tangent is big radius for small radius. So that means we are having 40 plus 20. That's radius 60. So I will mark radius 60 with my pair of compass. There is 60 to 0.0. I'll put it at the bigger circle to cut an arc on the semicircle. So I will join from here the arc to the semicircle, which is here, to the center of the circle. So this is the first point of tangent. To get the second point, all I need to do, I'll put my pair of compass at the center, extend to the first point, which is here, transfer to the other circle. So this is now our internal tangent of the two circles. So I will now join with a straight line. So as you know, all circles must have center lines. So I will put my center lines. So I'll put my center lines to complete the drawing. So this is the solution to question 2b. So thank you for watching. Next time we answer question 2a, ellipse with rectangular form. Thanks for watching. See you in our next class.